So it's snowing, I'm working, and my daughter got her kids looking out at the snow. We're gonna go out as soon as I get off. So I'm finally off work, so we're about to head outside.
So much snow.
Yeah, so we usually don't get snow out here. Usually when it snows out here, it's every 2 or 3 years, and we don't get inches. So yeah, we're about to enjoy the snow while it lasts. Oh, nope, that's not ice. That is a muddy mess.
3, 2.
Right on the concrete. Usually we go to gymnastics on this day, but it's closed, obviously. Just gonna enjoy a nice little snow day. What you doing?
I'm gonna snow, man. I'm gonna try to. It's going good so far. The size one.
So I went to Five Below last night. They didn't have any more snowboards, so I went and got her a body board. See how it works.
So don't be.
All right, let's go and see what this can do.
No, that that ain't nah. And that. I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I can't use these.
The string is only but. Oh, I enjoyed this snow day with you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, looks like she found some kids to play with. So yeah, I'm about to go in.